Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Joe Anderson, Truflava Productions. I have to admit, I don't really have like a video, like a training video this week. I'm actually working on the intro for my website, so I haven't really had a chance to kind of put all that together. But that actually kind of leads to what I wanted to kind of talk about a little bit today, and that is collaboration. What collaboration is basically is kind of like getting with other creatives to help your vision and your project come together. And the first thing about that is actually knowing what type of creative you are, finding out who you are, what you do, and what you do well. What I find is that I'm a songwriter, you know, and that is more so what I am than anything else. I produce and I can do all that kind of stuff as well, but my strength is songwriting. I am not a singer by any stretch of the imagination, and so that's why a lot of times it's very good to be able to collaborate with other creatives, other artists who actually may be singers. And that is kind of like what my creative process really needs to be. For singers, of course, it might be a good idea to get with musicians or songwriters and they can collaborate with them. And one of the things I'm finding out as well is that it's really good to make sure that you're hooked up with a good producer, a strong producer. I'm a producer myself, but I even find that I have to be kind of pulled in. I have to be brought in, you know, have my reins kind of pulled a little bit, because of when I'm creating and I'm doing my own songs, I kind of get caught up in the idea. Like I'll have a song like, you know, kind of like this one where I have like all the drums and I can put the vocals down, and which takes me a million years to do because I'm not a singer, like I said. But because ideas kind of keep just turning in my head, I need a producer to kind of lock me in and be like, hey, look, man, we need to add some strings, we need to add some horns, there's no synths in there. And so collaboration is key. So I guess our word for the week is collaboration. And the key points are, you know, finding out what type of creative you are, find out what it is that you do well, and then find out from your creative community who you can collaborate with to make your vision and what your piece is going to become true. All right, I will holler at y'all some other time. I got to get back to working on this intro. Again, you can always find me at my website, www.truflavaproductions.com, at Charlotte Truflava on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram at Truflava1995, Twitter at Truflava95. So I'll talk to y'all next week. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed your Labor Day. Hail.